6 of red banana, 3 cup all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, half cup sugar, 2 egg, 1.5 cup oil, 1 cup crushed walnut. Let's mix the dry ingredients.
Allahumma, 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 oh yeah, ground, Allahumma, irade, Allahumma, irade, Allahumma, irade, oh yeah, ground, Allahumma, yumma, Allahumma, yumma, Allahumma, yumma, oh yeah, ground, Allahumma, ma'u, Allahumma, ma'u, Allahumma, ma'u, oh yeah, ground, Allahumma, inauni. Allahumma, Inauni, Oya ground, Allahumma, Chineke, Allahumma, Chineke, Allahumma, Chineke, Oya ground, Allahumma, Subhanaka, Allahumma, Subhanaka, Allahumma, Subhanaka, Oya ground, Allahumma, Irade, Allahumma, Irade, Allahumma, Irade, Oya ground, Allahumma, Abirina, Allahumma, Abirina, Allahumma, Abirina, Oya ground, Allahumma, Imahu, Allahumma, Imahu, Allahumma, Imahu.
Now we're gonna put the banana bread in the oven.
Ya Rabbi, Allahumma, Ya Rabbi, Oya ground, Allahumma, Abirina.
Now our delicious banana bread is ready. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy our recipe.
Abirina, Allahumma, Abirina, Oya ground, Allahumma, 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 Allahumma.